Welcome to One Village Drive here in Wes Li Gardens, known for its peaceful setting and friendly atmosphere. My name is Peggy Cook of the Wayne Skillstra team of Remax Escarpment. Let's take the tour. This lovely bungalow offers comfort, convenience, and community all in one. Step inside to maple flooring throughout, a bright kitchen, and cozy living dining area. French doors in the living room take you to a private deck that opens to peaceful green space. The main floor features the primary bed, a 4-piece bath, main floor laundry, and the attached garage. Everything you need is right here, all within walking distance to Smithville'S shops and amenities. Experience easy, relaxed living at One Garden Drive. Your next chapter starts here. If you'd like more information or would like to book a showing, call or text at 289-339-3751.